Austin and there's a police chase going on. Heading back to my house on the Sporty. We just picked up the Sportster from my mum and dad's. We're going to bring it back to mine. I think we want to change the style a little bit for Austin. We want to go a little bit wider. We might take the fork extensions off. And then this evening we're going to head to a pub for the Old Boot Bikers weekly meetup. Grab a little beer in the sunshine, ride our bikes, show off the new bobber, see some old faces, see some friends up there. I think we're going to catch up with Joe on his bobber, or maybe his S1000. Steph on her beautiful vintage Triumph. Steph's dad Paul, I don't know what he's riding tonight, but always good to see him. And yeah, I think there's a bunch of guys from Octa Ride going to ride over there as well. So it'll be lovely to see everyone, and we'll just have a good day in the sunshine. Let's get back home, make a coffee, tinker with the Sporty, and then we'll catch you this evening on our little ride. Peace.
A few moments later.
Look at this absolute mess of a supposed to be workshop. I can't even move. Anyway, stock bars, mudguard, mirrors, take the extensions off. Yeah, give that a go. Just taking the fork extensions off these guys. Now I'm going to put the caps back on. Stock bars going on now. Let's go. Just fix the brake light. Yeah. Put LED back on because this is fried from where I had it lowered. So just to save some time, this actually works. Things get to work. Extensions off. Stock bars back on. Mudguard on. I think it looks cool, doesn't it? It looks very cool. Not truck style, but just chill stock style. Yeah, just clean. Finishing touches. Easier to ride. Easier to ride. Nice and smooth. Still sounds good because it's got those pipes on. Yeah, and the air filter. And the air filter and everything. Relocated speedo. Extensions are off. I don't love the seat just because it's not very thick. I've got quite a bony bum. George's unmolested bobber. Nice rattle can black tank at some point, that'd be good. A hideous cheap exhaust, that'd be really good as well. Massive apes up to here. What do you reckon here, George? Up to there? Yeah, 20 inch. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good.
What do I do with these?
Oh man, I don't know.
Just hang them out?
Yeah, hang them all. No, that'll make you rip them up.
They're already fucked.
What's it from?
Oh, that's for these indicators.
You got to tie them up, surely. Can you plug them in still or not?
No, because this is plugged in.
Oh no.
I'll just put some electrical tape around them and just stick them somewhere.
Okay.
Underneath.
Get it done. How does it feel? Better?
Yeah, it feels good.
Yeah?
Feels good. It's yeah, it just feels so much more responsive without the apes.
Yeah.
And they're kind of mini apes, right?
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. I bet it's comfy, though.
Yeah, it's good fun. It's easy to ride. I'm looking forward to taking it out later.
Yeah.
hours later.
Not sure you're going to be able to hear me. I haven't got my mic plugged in because this helmet is so low profile that, yeah, I can't fit a mic underneath the helmet. So you might be able to hear me at slow speed, but if I go any quicker than this, you're definitely not going to be able to hear me. If you can hear me, we are heading to Austin's house. I think my dad is going to meet us there as well. And then from there we're going to head to a little pub called George and the Dragon, which is about, I don't know, 5 miles down the road? Not far at all. The old boot bikers weekly meet is on.
Thunderbird, I don't know.
No, that was the Thunderbird. That's in America.
That must be in Europe.
Yeah.
I've got a couple here, bro.
I still think you should do those. Oh, hello.
Still think I
I
should
think you
do
should
what?
do those meta glasses, so you can hold 2 pints
That's a
and
good
film
idea.
at the same time.
Pint maxing, that would
Pint
be.
maxing.
Another one there, I see. 2013, right? No, that is the older one. It's got the old clocks and stuff.
Bits as well.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
You need big feet to do heel toe on that, though.
Yeah.
Look at the distance apart.
I think you literally stamp on these things.
Your favourite exhaust? I like this one. This one's really good.
Yeah, that's clear.
I like
Is
the
that
little
Hitchcock?
tail tidy. That's the 400 tail tidy, which costs like £1,000.
It's nice, doesn't it? £1,000.
Yeah, 1,300 just for that unit.
Clean though.
I think that is the Hitchcocks, isn't it? Oh no, they're Moto. They're Moto. There's no Moto doing exhaust.
No, they're either. No, they're either.
That box bed is quite nice. Classy.
I quite like your bed. I like
Stock one.
the stock one.
Yeah. This is nice. This is for sale on Marketplace. You want £5 for this? I spoke to him the other day. Has to go into like London on that. Be like it's really hard to get a PC and stuff like that. No.
It's a 16 ring. Not make any more than £2 grand.
Would be. For £2 grand it would be.
Steps on the same floor, smiles wide as sky and so warm. Touch the clouds, my pieces, if I'm torn.